We are
1775.
The lighting is light.
I really like the dessert. It's currently 2:03 a.m. Why am I up? I signed up for a sunrise hike to one of the volcanoes. I don't know if is it still active? Mount Batur. You go with a group and you hike up the mountain and watch the sunrise. And they have breakfast and then they bring you down around early afternoon. Then after that, I signed up for a cooking class, so I'll be going to that in the later afternoon. I was so scared about walking out of this place this morning, and one of the guys came towards my room, so that's really nice. Going hiking. Woo! It's 2:29 a.m. No! Shut up. I was told that it's 8 kilometers, which I looked up is 5 miles. So I'll tell you how long it took us to get up there. Since I've been in Asia, I see a lot of people hiking in flip-flops. So I decided to go with my Tiva sandals. So far, no regrets.
Can you actually record yourself? Because it looks like a ghost.
Yes. That's my friend from Australia. It's really rocky here. And the sand is also soft because of rain, so the sand is wet. Yeah, that's all I have for now. Adios, amigos. We are here at the top. It's amazing. Look at this. We're in heaven right now. Look at the clouds. Wow. We started the hike around 4:18. Yeah, jump. And now it's 5:55 exactly. And we're here on top of the world. I don't even know how many meters we are.
1775. We stay here, yeah?
Yeah.
And we wait for the group.
And we don't go down.
Let's go down. How long? 1 hour? Up to you.
I'm so happy I did this. It's so beautiful. Now you can see my face. It's 6:07. Normally, I'm still sleeping. But I woke up today at 1:30.
Hi guys, are you okay?
Hey guys.
Yay!
Hi guys, are you okay?
And that's one of our guides. We had 3 of them. They're really good.
You made it.
I'm glad I survived.
It was a struggle bus she took to get up here, but she did it. Where's her nose? This dog, he has 3 functioning legs, and even he made it up here. We're here on top of the world.
I ruined the thing.
Do you see this? Oh, you can't see it. When you go see beautiful sights in the world and you try and put them on camera, pictures don't do things justice like sunrise and sunsets. You just have to be there in person. That's just the same right now. You can't see this beautiful, amazing sunrise. It looks like nothing on camera. It's amazing. And the lighting is giving me so much life. Oh, it's 6:18 and the sun is coming out, baby. It's really nice up here. I read reviews about it on the way here and people wrote a lot of stuff that got me nervous because I was wearing my sandals. I'm wearing my Tivas. Didn't feel me at all. I don't like wearing shoes, so I want to feel comfortable, and it was nice. There are a lot of loose rocks when you're walking, so you have to watch and be careful because you're hiking in the dark with just a flashlight. He says I took 151 flights of stairs. Ah, so excited. I'm so happy I did this. It's amazing. It's getting chilly right now. It says 80 degrees. I don't believe that, but I'm not mad at all. The lighting is light. I don't know, I'm so conceited right now. But once in a while, you just have to. Because look at my face in this lighting. Look at this. I could do this all day. Let's have a fashion show, why not? I would love to bring my mom here, but I know she would kill me. That I even thought of the idea of her coming on top of a mountain. The clouds look like cushions, like you could walk up them. I'm so happy. I'm so content. Just it's so nice up here. One of those guys over there had a drone and he sent it far into the sunrise. I cannot see it anymore. Hashtag life. This is the sunrise we came for. And the sunrise is giving us life right now. Take it all in. It's beautiful from all angles. Take it all in. Earlier I took off my jacket because it was hot. It was warm. Now I'm shaking because it's a little bit chilly. We're waiting for the guys who went up there. If you're ever in Bali, I totally recommend. The group I went with is called Randy Hike. I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. 350,000 Indonesian money. I forget what the currency is called. You should definitely do the hike. It's not hard and it's fun. And the guides are amazing. And the view is just like nothing like it. I know you can't see it well on camera, but take my word for it. It's amazing. You can see it in my glasses. Bye! So we are done watching the sunrise, and we were told there's a crater down here. I don't know if you can see the steam coming up. Oh wow, it's warm. That's so cool. We're gonna go down there. Look at that. It's like a sauna. We are now going to see the crater. So what we saw just now was a hole that makes heat, but this is the crater. She said no jump, right? Is that even a question? It should be a statement. No jump on my watch. She's funny. She is funny. Hello. And then, so you come from the front over there. And then you come to the back right here where the kitchen is. It's really nice. I'm excited because I'm hungry. Whoa. It's common in Balinese households to have family temple, and here is the one at my cooking place. Do you see the details on these carvings? And even the guys downstairs right now are carving into the house. Told me that the portion they're working on is her bedroom. I just got back from a cooking class and I want to talk about my experience and what I think about it. Why did I sign up to do a cooking class? Well, when I studied abroad in Thailand in 2014, my program took us to a cooking class. You know, the experience was amazing. The food was great. I don't think I've eaten that much Balinese food. Most of the places I've been to is like a mixture of other countries, like Indian food, Thai food, and we cooked 7 dishes, I guess, and then 1 dessert. I really liked the dessert for sure. They were very meticulous about giving me vegetable stock, giving the other group I was cooking with chicken broth, and just keeping track of that. So that was good. They really care about whether you have dietary restrictions or allergies. So A+ on that. The whole thing was good. Like, I have no problem with the experience. It's just the food themselves. Like, I'm not a big fan of them. Mostly, I guess the ones that actually use tempeh in them. I got full too quick, so I didn't really enjoy the worth of my money. It cost 350,000 Indonesian currency. I honestly keep forgetting what it's called. And that translates to about $25. It's not too expensive because depending if you wanted to splurge, you could do that on an outing. Like if you wanted to go eat out. It included transportation from and to your hotel or hostel. Drive for me was like 11 minutes. Quite a drive, I guess. You can't get anywhere around here without taking a taxi or something because public transportation does not exist. So what do I think about the whole experience? On a scale of 5, I would give it a 4 because they were very meticulous, very diligent. They will explain what you're doing. After you do it, they ask you, do you have any question right now? No? Then they can move ahead. So they did that at every stage. I'm not a big fan of Balinese food, I guess. It's no Thai food. If we're doing comparison, that's all I gotta say. I will show you where I've been staying since Sunday. This is the bed. And That's the rest of it. AC, closet, cupboard, that big, sink, and then the bathroom. It's split, so you can have shower on that side, toilet. What I did not like is that the shower floods. The water just pools around you as you shower, and I guess after a while goes away. That was no bueno. And right across from here is where I go to get breakfast. I got here on Sunday night, and I'm leaving Friday. Peace.